Episode 698, penny number 1. Oh, yeah. So, the first thing I noticed, let me go in a little closer. Whatever's going on here with the 5 and the 7. Now, is it from the crimp roll machine? Also, look on the D. So, is this damaged somehow? Could be. But the letters on the top, I didn't even take a close look at that D. Let me take a close look at that D. Tough, man. It's tough. And inside the 5, I don't know if you can see this through the camera or not. There you go. Inside the 5, you see it? It looks like another little 5 line. Right there. You see that little, it looks like a dot. But under the loop, you can see it's like another 5 line. Also here on the 7, you can see this is that extra thickness. Same thing with the 9. Then again, we have it here. So I'm going to definitely put this into a flip as a possible double die. Please click like and subscribe.